this is another Goner gun. This is an M16, an M-116. This is a sweet gun. And what's nice about it is the tripod opens up. And you're probably saying, why aren't you showing us, Brian? Well, you know what? That's a very good question. Now I have to find where the knife is. Then I have to put this back on. All right, so this is the Goner M16 die-cast, 8-shot. 8-shot. Now this is, what's nice about this gun is, this is plastic here, and this is plastic here. It's solid metal right here. See that? Listen. Solid metal. This thing, your kid is going to have fun with this in the yard. Okay, watch this. Drops the tripod down, lays down. Okay, guys, let's hit it, baby! Let's hit it! They're coming! The commies are coming! Get them! This is fun, baby. This is what kids are going to have fun with. With the tripod set up, get the commies! I mean, this is all about. This is what boys do. They just like to pretend. Okay, this is an 8-shot mechanism. Okay. And it basically, like all the other guns, it just, your mechanism pops out. Watch. Look at that. The whole mechanism pops up. I always tell people that that when you get your gun is that you oil it. I'm finding that out. WD-40, or you can use Goo Gone. Goo Gone's really good. Okay, so I love the smell of gunpowder. Check that out. This is the Goner M16. Okay, this is a sweet toy gun. I mean, this is it. Goner, made by Goner, and they're made in Spain. Baby, made in Spain. This is item number 111861. But all you have to do is go 118 Commando 118. I wonder why it's 118. I thought it was just the M16. But all you have to do is go on ProTinkerToys.com M1. This is gonna have this link, right? It'll link to the toy.
Links in the description.
In the description, it will link. So all you have to do is just link it, go right to the store and buy it. It's that easy. We are the best shop at home store on eBay or on YouTube. I'm sorry, on YouTube. Because all you have to do is watch my video, click at the end, and go buy it. Isn't that fun? And that's at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Okay, yeah, baby, make my day.